The queen has left. It's a humongous swarm. The queen is in the way middle. And some of these little bees are going to go out and try and find a place now to have another hive. Because anything going on, I'll watch and show you. Look at what they're doing. They're shaking their little butts up in the air. It's a vibration. They don't want to hurt me. Oh no, the hive moved here. Did the queen just move? Look. What the heck? Let me see if the other hive is over here. Where it was. No, it's gone. They're all leaving. The queen left. The queen left there. Look at that. There's still a bunch. They smell her, but now they're leaving because the queen came here, which would be so easy for me to just bang it into a box. But man, I'm so sick of getting down. And if I don't catch the actual queen, and they don't want this hive anymore, I'm pretty sure. I'll run over to the thing and try and put them in there. The queen is hoping to get the queen. Oh my goodness, I'm so nervous. Shoot. Okay, I don't think they're friendly. Do you? No, I don't think they're friendly. Okay, they're not happy with me. But everything's covered except for my... I can't do this. Okay, hope you're getting this. It's pretty fun. Ready? Until you think that you really have the queen. Because you probably really don't have the queen, that's why they're coming back here. Oh, shoot! One is biting my foot! Oh my goodness. This is so ridiculous. Oh, I hate this job. Shoot! I can't reach the top part of the queen. Won't land anytime. Okay, I got stung. But you see all the bees that I dumped in the hive? If we have the queen, she might stay there. I won't know. I won't know till I see if there is a swarm or if the bees stay there. Yeah. Ouch. So I only got one sting on my toe.